आज देखेंगे MS Excel बेसिक्स ऑन प्रेजेंटेशन। कीज, शॉर्टकट्स, formulas, data formatting, use data validation. What is MS Excel? MS Excel क्या है? Excel is a spreadsheet program used organize data in rows and columns. Data organize how to rows and columns. Performing calculation using formulas. How to perform calculation? Formulas. Creating charts and graphs. What about charts? Line charts, graph. This is the analyzing and sorting data A to Z and Z to A to Z any ascending order, Z to A means descending order. Excel interface. What about Excel interface? What workbook? The entire Excel file. Excel file देखिए sample Excel interface. This is the Excel interface. Worksheet. This is the worksheet on the area. Cell. Each box where data is entered. This is the entered data. This is the cell. Ribbon, toolbar with tabs like home, insert, formulas. This is the file, home, insert, draw, page layout. This is the toolbars of ribbon in spreadsheet. This is the Excel interface of sample image on there. Data types में देखिए text है, numbers है, data and times, dates, times. This is the date types. Text, number, currency, date, percentage. This is the data types. Labels or description. Labels or description. Numbers for calculations. Numbers for calculations. Dates, times for a scheduling or a tracking. This is the date. देखिए basic formulas. Basic formulas in Excel. A1 plus B1. A1 and then B1 adds value in a A1 and B1. This is the A1 value and B1 value. Average B1 colon B5 find average. Average find, this is the percentage. A1 multiply B1 multiplies values. This is the multiplication. Basic formulas, for example, Excel on the cell formatting. In there, cell formatting, for example, headers, text styles, cell color, borders, conditional formatting, data bars. First, change font, color, size. This is the cell color, various type of colors. Then use bold, italic and underline. टेक्स्ट स्टाइल देखिए, टेक्स्ट स्टाइल में क्या क्या यूज है? बोल्ड टेक्स्ट है, इटैलिक टेक्स्ट है, अंडरलाइन टेक्स्ट है, नंबर्स टेक्स्ट, नंबर्स स्टाइल है. दिस इज द बोल्ड, इटैलिक, अंडरलाइन. बोल्ड यानी डार्क, इटैलिक क्रॉस, अंडरलाइन वर्ड अंडर, अंडरलाइन. नंबर्स, दिस इज द टेक्स्ट स्टाइल. अलाइनमेंट लेफ्ट, सेंटर, राइट. दिस इज द अलाइनमेंट. बॉर्डर, dotted line, straight line, light lines. Conditional formatting, profit. This is the formatting. Data bars. This is the data bar. Cells, expense. Headers. Headers देखिए on the top of area. Cell formatting. This is the, for example. Charts देखिए, बार चार्ट, पाई चार्ट एंड लाइन चार्ट. बार चार्ट कौन से हैं? बार चार्ट सेल्फ परफॉर्मिंग ऑन देयर. पाई चार्ट मार्केट शेयर. दिस इज द शो प्रॉपर्टीज. एंड लाइन चार्ट ट्रैक ट्रेंड्स, वेबसाइट ट्रैफिक. दिस इज द लाइन चार्ट ऑन देयर स्प्रेडशीट. यूज ऑफ स्प्रेडशीट. सॉर्टिंग एंड फिल्टरिंग. इमेज देखिए, सॉर्ट एंड फिल्टर. सॉर्ट, दिस इज द A to Z ascending order and descending order. Filter, filtering, this is the show only specific data. Show only specific data in their column. And sort data, all data is face, column, categories, quantity. And in their filter data, only show only specific data. Sort A to Z ascending order, this is the A to Z. And Z to A means A to Z to A, descending order. And then last, data types. Saving and printing data or files. Save your files. How to? Control plus. This is the save image, save as, file name, save as type, then save file. Print your sheet. Control plus P. Print your sheet. This is the sheet. Your print. Print setting. This is the printer. Copies 1. Then print option. This is the saving and printing Excel file. Practical tips में देखिए. For example, save and print. Use AutoSum for a quick total. Quick total in their practical. To try condition formatting to highlight important data. Highlight important data. This is the various type of color. Explore insert charts, pie charts, line charts. This is the visual representation. Then practical tips for in that save, print, practical tips. Thank you for the watching video. Excel spreadsheets.